Well, hello everyone, I'm Dr. Glenn Harrison and welcome to this video presentation on the brain-gut connection. So this presentation, and I speak on many different topics, this is probably one of my favorite topics to discuss. It's changing rapidly, but what it does is in this presentation, you're going to learn this close connection between your brain and your digestive tract. Now, there are so many digestive problems in North America. Right now, it's suspected that over 70% of Americans are dealing with some form of gut problem, some form of digestive problem. And in this presentation, you're going to learn that if you have any digestive problem, it will play into your brain health. It'll change your brain. It can create mood disorders. It can create brain dysfunction, concentration problems. It can even lead to mental health issues. So with the uprise in mental health conditions in North America and digestive problems, there's no coincidence, they're closely connected. So in this presentation, there's a lot of information in it. You're going to learn how this connection works and how you can start turning and identifying and start turning this around so you can improve your brain health and your digestive health. So with that being said, I'm Dr. Glenn Harrison and enjoy the presentation.